Hi guys! So I have a whole mess of information for you and an unboxing, or in this case, an unbagging of a product you can receive today. So let me just get right into it. First things first, new class up on my channel starts today, Mixed Media Backgrounds, Volume 1. If you've taken a class from me before, this is a completely different class, and my video is deciding to move on me. Not cool. Okay. So new class, you can find all the details below. Some interesting, fun things. Number 1, you get to pick some of the products I'm using in my mixed media backgrounds. Number 2, there's going to be some lives in the Facebook group to help you to create beautiful mixed media backgrounds in addition to the lessons. And yeah, it's going to be super fun, way different than my other classes. So I really recommend you take a peek at it, and I hope you like it. Okay, so let's talk about unboxing stuff. Oh, and sales, right? Okay, so the sales that I recommend you go shop. Scrap It Happy Studios, which is these beautiful epoxy flares that you have seen me use so many times on my channel. Those epoxy flares are 50% off in the Etsy store today. My good friend Christina Sorge has an amazing sale going on at Redefine Creative. I will list all of those links down below, the class link, the Redefine Creative link, the Scrap It Happy Studio link, and the link for Spiegel Mom Scraps. So, Spiegel Mom Scraps is debuting a whole selection of beautiful, gorgeous embellishment kits today. This is the Alchemy kit, and I got a sneak peek at this one. And then I bought 2 more on her website this morning. Shh. Okay. So it comes all wrapped up, beautiful and gorgeous. Also, these kits are 40% off. Like, they're on sale in the shop. So go grab one. And they're gorgeous. So let's take a peek at what we have in here. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. I will be online all day today, so if you have questions about any of these sales or the class, you can find me on any of my social media and send me a message. Okay, we have these beautiful trims. So we have a gold trim and a silver trim. It's a nice, thin, kind of braided, almost like a twine, a little bit. Hold on, let me let my puppy in. He doesn't like to be excluded from videos. So it's a beautiful thin gold twine, and you get gold and silver in the kit. You get this really cool wood block. I am just going to put this right on my desk and use it as a coaster because I think it's super cute and fun. So you get the wood block. There's 4, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 little pots of deliciousness from Shimmers. You get precious metal, you get silver bells, gold glimmer, and hi-ho silver. You will be seeing me create with this kit very soon. It's beautiful. I have big plans. I actually have plans for this kit. And then you get 3 little jars of funness. So you get this little pack of gold pine tree sequins. Super cute. You get this little pack of silver pine tree sequins. Silver cute. Super cute. And then these. Okay, you guys, these are the bomb. This is rose gold hexagon, like sequiny glitter. And it's so fun, and I am going to make a gorgeous shaker element coming up on a page with this stuff because it's adorable. And then you also get this really fun metallic craftwork pen. So I'm going to show you how this looks on paper because it's really cool, and I kind of love it. I don't kind of love it. I do love it. Look how nice. It writes really nice and really smooth, and it's beautiful. So super excited about that. All right, and I just realized that I pushed it all off the side because my camera moved. So that's everything in this kit. So there is so much stuff going on today. Thank you so much for watching me for just a couple minutes while I shared with you my favorites. Make sure to grab these kits if you want because they're on sale today and they're selling out and they're beautiful. Like, I'm so excited about these kits. You have no idea. Jody sent me this one so I could do an unboxing and share everything with you, but then I went on her website and I ordered 2 more. Anyway, so be sure to go ahead and take a peek at Spiegel Mom Scraps. Be sure to go ahead and take a peek at Scrap and Happy Studio, who's having a huge sale today. My scrappy bestie, Christina Sorge, has an amazing sale at her shop, Redefined Creative. I'll have all the links below. And then my mixed media class launches today, and you guys are going to love it. All right, I will see you all again very soon. Bye.